Hi, I am Mari, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to create this type of brush for creating like a glitter effect. So let's start. Go to gallery and open a 6000 by 6000 square canvas. I'm going to set the background color to black and I'm going to choose white as my color. Then go and open a new brush. Let me erase this one. A new brush, exactly as it comes, and we're going to use that one. So increasing here the maximum size, and then we're going to create small circles. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just create different type of circles. We reduce a bit here, maybe around here, and that's it. Now we're going to create some Gaussian blur with this. Slide to the right a little bit, maybe about 22%. Then again on top of it, we create a little bit more. But let's do it in another layer just in case we don't like this result. It is kind of like trying and error, because you may don't like some of the results, but it gets better while you start doing it. Then we use again Gaussian blur, but this time it's a little bit less. And then in a new layer, we place exclusively white in the middle, like some points in the middle have to be whiter. This will make the brush like stand out. Okay, now we're gonna take the background out, and with 3 fingers down, we're going to copy all. Then in the same brush we use, we're just gonna paste it here, shape source, edit, import, paste. Now we have this interesting shape, but we're going to change it, of course. Let me increase the preview size so you can see how it looks now. So we're going to increase the spacing and increase the jitter a little bit too. We go to shape again, and here we're going to increase scatter to the max, increase the count and count of the jitter. I think I will increase the jitter a little bit more here because I want to create this effect, but still it's not bright enough. I will take the opacity of the upper pencil out, and I will change also the pressure so I can get this larger spots with this. Now we go to dynamics. We can also change the jitter, the size of the jitters. So this makes it look a little bit more random and not exactly the same spot. Now we go to rendering, we go to intense blending, and the blend mode we're going to use add with luminance blending. Now we have a bright brush. You name your brush here. That's right here, I don't know, bright dots, or whatever you want to name it. Okay, then you click here, you put your picture, put your name, sign it, and create a reset point. This is very important. Don't forget to create a reset point, because if you later change anything here in the Brush Studio, you can go back to that reset point. Okay, let's click done. And now let's try it out. Again with our background, I will turn off all these layers, and I will choose some yellow to try my new brush. It is a bit small for me, so we're going to go to properties and increase the maximum size. I think I like it more now. Let's try. And now we have some bright brush here, a little bit on the neon side. I still don't like the separation here. I think I will like more clutter, but that is what I like. You can create anything you want. So I will increase actually the count of the jitters as well, and I will increase the jitter here and not too much spacing, maybe. Let's try if I like it. If I don't like it, I can always go, let's clear, I can always go to my last reset point. Okay, what I'm saying is that it's not as bright as I was expecting. So to fix it, let me show you again this. And to fix it a little bit, I will take a normal brush again, white, and I will go and draw inside this one a bit brighter. Oh, sorry. Here as well, like outside. And we can create a bit brighter shape. Let's see if we can make it. Reduce here. Okay, let's see this one. Background color out, copy all, and I will paste it in this new one so we can compare. Shape, edit, import, paste, done. And well, you know, let's not do it like that. Let's duplicate this one because this one already has the other specifications, and we're gonna change this shape. Okay, so now let's see if we have a little bit more brightness here. I think we do. Let's see if it works, and turn this off again, get the yellow. Let's try the new one. Let's see the one before. You can see here we have more brightness than here. Okay, now I like this more better. You see, and now you keep trying with this Gaussian blur technique, and you can get different type of brightness inside the same brush. And remember to put a very white spot in the center, so when you use the rendering mode in add, it gets that white bright point. Okay, now let's have a look at what it will look like if we don't use it in a black background. Well, let me show you this trick. This will help you. Oh, let's turn this on, and I will choose red now. And this brush is also really good for like burning things. Let me increase the size. And the reason is that when you tap on it, because of the blending mode of adding, it will burn it. And it will create like this burning effect, like a flame coming from the volcano, for example. It's like a volcano erupting kind of thing. So now you have like different uses for the same type of brush. Remember, if you use a dark background, you will get these brighter dots. And let's see how it looks in white. It's like silver and gold style brushes. Okay, so I hope you like this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, and hope to see you next time. Bye.